For the assessment, identify the patient using at least 2 identifiers according to agency policy. You can identify the patient using their name and medical record number. Review patient EHR for need to assess radial pulse rate. Determine previous pulse rate and measurement site when available from patient record. Assess patient and family caregivers' health literacy. Assess for factors that influence radial pulse rate and rhythm. For the factors that influence radial pulse rate and rhythm is age, body temperature, and body position. Perform hand hygiene. Assess for signs and symptoms of altered cardiac function, shortness of breath, chest pain, and dizziness. Assess for signs and symptoms of peripheral vascular disease, leg pain, changes in skin color, and slow healing wounds. Assess patient's knowledge of and prior experience with pulse measurement and feelings about procedure. For the planning, determine expected outcomes following completion of procedure. Provide privacy for patient. Explain procedure and encourages patient to relax. Obtain and organize equipment needed. For the implementation, perform hand hygiene. Position patient in supine or sitting position. Ma'am or sir, agbaling ba nga agtugaw kayo? When patient is supine, place patient forearms straight alongside or across lower chest or upper abdomen. When sitting, bend patient elbow 90 degrees and support lower arm. Fingers of hand over. Place tips of first 2 or middle 3 fingers of hand over groove along radial or thumb side of patient's inner wrist. Slightly extend or flex wrist with palm down until strongest pulse is noted. Lightly compress pulse against radius. Losing pulse initially, relax pressure so pulse become easily palpable. Determine strength of pulse. Note whether thrust of vessel against fingertips is bounding, full increase, strong, expect, barely palpable, diminished or absent, not palpable. After palpating a regular pulse, look at watch, second, hand, and begin to count rate. Count the first beat after the second hand hit the number on the dial. Count as 1, then 2, and so on. When pulse is regular, count rate for 30 seconds and multiply total by 2. Help patient to comfortable position. Discuss findings with patient and Document according to agency policy. Dispose of all contaminated supplies in appropriate receptacle. Remove and dispose glove if worn, and perform hand hygiene. Raise side rails. Place bed in lowest position and lock into position. Place nurse call system in an accessible location within patient reach. So the radial pulse of the patient is 46 and multiply with 2. 92. The total radial pulse of the patient is 92. Nag-perform hand hygiene pa, di ba? For the implementation, when assessing pulse for first time, establish radial pulse as baseline when within acceptable range. Compare pulse rate and character with patient's previous baseline and acceptable range for patient's age. Use stitch back. Revise instruction if patient or family caregiver is not able to teach back correctly. For the documentation, document pulse rate and cite appropriately. Document pulse after administration of specific therapies as applicable. Document evaluation of patient and family caregiver learning. For the hand-off reporting, report abnormal findings appropriately.